Earthing. What is earthing? Earthing is the process of connecting electrical equipment to the ground. It provides a safe path for fault current to flow into the earth. Why earthing is important? It protects us from electric shock. It prevents damage to electrical appliances. It reduces the risk of fire. How it works? When leakage current occurs, it flows through the earth wire instead of passing through the human body. This keeps us safe. Where it is used: home, industries, electric panels, appliances like fridge, washing machine. Earthing is not just a connection, it is a life-saving protection system in every electrical installation. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.